Hello, I am Ghinwa El Hage, and I'm going to share with you today a small video talking about radio interface techniques. Air interface is the radio frequency portion of the circuit between mobile users and radio base stations. In wireless cellular system, mobiles can access cells using different access techniques. These access techniques includes frequency division multiple access, time division multiple access, code division multiple access, orthogonal frequency division multiple access. Let's start with frequency division multiple access. FDMA is common in the first generation of mobile communication systems. So for analog systems, the available frequency, the available spectrum, is divided into physical channels of equal bandwidth or subbands. One physical channel is allocated per subscriber. Here we have, for example, 3 subscribers, 1, 2, 3. Each user is allocated a different physical channel. This physical channel is used during the entire duration of the call. Then it is released at the end of the call and can be available for other subscribers. Time division multiple access. TDMA systems. In TDMA, the channel bandwidth is shared between the users and the time domain. TDMA is the digital technique. The available spectrum is divided into time. Each user will be allocated a time on the channel referred to as time slot. In this time slot, the user will be able to transmit or receive data. Time slots are then grouped into TDMA frame. For example, here we have 3 users. Each user is allocated a time slot. TDMA system is used in many second generation systems like GSM, like DMs. CDMA, code division multiple access. It is a digital technique for sharing the frequency spectrum. Users will share same time and frequency. This technique will employ codes in order to separate between users and the frequency spectrum. This figure shows, for example, wideband code division multiple access used in UMTS, and it will utilize 5 MHz bandwidth. Orthogonal frequency division multiple access. This technique, in this technique, multiple users receive information at the same time, but on different parts of the radio channel. The bandwidth is divided into subcarriers, and that way each user will be allocated subcarriers in group of 12, known as resource blocks, and each user will be allocated 1 millisecond of time. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed our video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe.